Hi, good morning. Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with, let's see if I can cover my hand over the address here. The Creative Notions August box. And I've slit it open. Let's take a look inside. It has red wrapping paper to start out, just like that. Ooh, a box full of goodies. Let me pull it all out here so I can show you one at a time. Ooh, a couple of projects here. Little kits. Oh, let me show you this first. Let me make sure that's all that's in there. Yep. Oh, another little topping for, look at that. I have never seen one like that before. Isn't that neat? Almost looks like fencing. Okay, and what do we have? We have, let's see, Red Rhapsody by Benetark Fabrics. Okay, we have a scrap challenge. I guess a lot of people have already shown their scrap challenge, the little tiny scraps from the previous box and bags. Okay, so we have our winners. Let me show you the winners here. Here's our winners. So you can read that. So we have a cute little project. And let me take this out of the bag because I cannot stand the glare from the lights. It makes me think of the sun in your eyes while you're trying to drive. And you can't avoid it. Alrighty, so this has the things that come with it, so you don't have to find your own. And this is our cute little project manicure set. Look at this. And here is the fabrics. I'm going to pull them out to look at them. A real pretty red. And then we have our bag. It says nail polish remover. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we have a little bag here. So these are the things that you put in it after you make it. So let's see, we have peach moisturizing hand cream. I got 2 of them. We have a little fingernail clipper. And it's got a little chain here. I'm trying to figure out what this all is. So here is your cuticle. So you use this to push your cuticles back on your nails when you're doing them. Here's our little file. You got a really rough side and a little bit smoother, just like you would if you had your own. Here is your nail polish remover. And I'm gonna guess this is your clear coat polish. That's really nice. Let me see if it tells me in this little packet here what you get. That's gonna be sweet. Let me put that aside. What's this here? This is Pina Colada, from the Country Pauper. It is a heart-shaped sucker. That's the treat today. And then we have a Make It Mini Scarecrow. Uh-oh. Gonna have to make this so I can hang it from my little stand. And it's in a kit too, so you're gonna get all the things for it. Let me show it first. That's what it looks like. We have the eyes, button eyes. And here is the fabrics. So it's in the little kit here. So you get it all. And here is our paper It's the Heat and Bond Light, so they give you some of that. Don't even have to have your own for the applique part. I don't know if I'm going to show how I do this online or not, but I know I'm definitely going to make it, because after I get finished showing the one for September and October, which is that Halloween, the one that I just made, then I'll do this for November, which is going to be really nice. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, that's what they're using this for. They changed this out for the top. Move that aside. Okay, now we have our pattern. So our mystery block of the month is a double monkey wrench. I'm trying to pull the patterns apart here. There we go. There's that one. And then we have the mosaic number 13 mystery quilt, which is this one here. That's pretty self-explanatory. Those are not going to be hard at all. We have a, let me take it out of the package again. I never keep these in the package either. When I put them aside, I put them in the clear coat. I guess you call them paper savers. There we go. That looks adorable. Let's see if I can get the front page. Oh, here we go. This is better. I'm going to show you what that's what it looks like. And now for the fabrics, which are absolutely beautiful. They are red and white, and they have them marked. So the first one here is red/white number 2, and look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. I love red and white fabric. Then we have red and white. Then we have our white. And it's not a white on white, it's just plain white. And then we have our red and white. And that's what you're going to use to make this quilt, Presley's Dream. So I will lay it all out here. I'm going to read the paper here, and if I need to come back before I lay it out here, I will. But I'm going to lay it out so everybody can see it. Okay, here we go. Here is everything that is in the box. There's the patterns. Here's the fabric. And like I said, I'm definitely making this scarecrow. This is super duper cute. And that little manicure set, that's a cute little stocking stuffer. I like everything in this box. Now the directions say that the pattern for this here is just 2 blocks. That's it. And you can make it in the red and white, or you can make it in something else. I'm going to make it in the red and white because I like the red and white. Okay, so they're going to do a birthday giveaway. And it's their birthday, so they're doing the giveaway. The grand prize winner will win a XXL, looks like, two-toe cart, which is valued at $347.60. The second place winner is the Martinelli round. It's a bout set, which is valued at $120. And here's what you have to do to enter. So complete all your projects in this box, which would not be very hard to do. And then post a picture in their group, the Facebook group. Or you can email a photo of all the projects that are finished. If you don't have Facebook or you don't know how to work the internet and that kind of thing, you can always email them the pictures. Then you're going to tell your story. And then in your story is, how did you learn how to quilt? Is it a hobby, daily thing, you know, just something you do on the side? You know, do you do it with your friends? Just whatever your story is. And then you're going to tell your favorite part about the Creative Notions and how long you've been with them. So if you've just started, and let's say this is your first box, then that's what you're going to say. This is the first box, and you decided to make everything. And if you want, you could say you've made it with all your friends. If you get together with friends, you can, and then number 5 is invite or refer 2 friends to join the Facebook group or their subscription program. Well, I always invite everybody that watches my video here to join this subscription box because I think it's wonderful. And then that's all you got to do, those 5 things. And then the entries are due by the 15th of August. This is the first part of September, so you have at least 6 weeks to get your entrance in. And then the winner is going to be chosen live on their Facebook page on the 17th. So tag your post or email. And here's the email. Let me show you. Right there. Email it with that for the giveaway if you want to join. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this box. I'm going to be making the projects. I'm not entering the contest to win because I don't have the time to get it done before then. I haven't even got my last projects done. I got a couple more I want to do out of the last box. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you'd like to make a comment, go ahead and make a comment, and I will see you next time for a Creative Notions unboxing. And thank you, Vicki, for everything you do, all your team down there at Creative Notions. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.